Restaurant Success Prediction System. This application predicts potential success of restaurant locations using XGBoost, Tabnet, and GNN. So we're gonna start by testing the enter the one location manually. This is just to test a quick way to test one specific location. So today we're gonna go with Tampa, and I'm going to input my feature settings, such as I want to open a breakfast type restaurant with a rating of 4 out of 100. And it's going to be a level 2, so not really fast food, more of a sit down restaurant, but not too fancy and expensive. And I want it to have minor competition, so we have something to compare it to, but nothing too crazy, so I still make a good impression. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to press predict restaurant success. And then while that's loading, I'm going to explain to you the good part about the manual input setting. So, this function allows users to test one restaurant location at a time. The user enters basic information, and once that information is entered, the app converts the input into a data frame. The application then applies the same processing and engineering featured steps used during modeling. This includes creating category based features, competition features, and operational features, and location based features. After the features are prepared, the location is passed into a XGBoost model and the TabNet model and the GNN's spectile component that combines these outputs into a final success probability and converts it into a success score and labels the location as high potential, moderate potential, or low potential. This is useful when users want to quickly evaluate one specific restaurant or location. So right now we're just waiting for it to load. Oh, also, these are more optional. However, if you want specific locations, I mean, not specific locations, but to input specific features such as, oh, my restaurant's going to have so and so parking spots. Um, oh, my restaurant is going to have this many meals on the menu. Oh, my restaurant is going to have an ambiance score, which is, I believe one is just an average score. Or I want to open up this many hours per week. So, or days open in total, or how many hours you're open on the weekend, or specific types of things you want, you can, but this is more of an optional feature. Okay, so it looks like our success score has loaded, and looks like this location specifically got a 29.72, which means it might not be the best place to open up um a restaurant, probably because Tampa is like a really populated area, probably has lots of restaurant, and then so that's probably why it's not. um so like as you can see, the reason for it is um nearest, which just means it's close to too many good restaurants and already highly rated restaurants. Probably that's probably your main issue with opening in that area. And okay, it's still, this is the part where it compares to other restaurants in that area, but it seems it's still loading. So what's it called? These are just the success scores it got when it was tested through the different it was tested using accuracy. This is the score when it when they were all combined into a hybrid model. This is its score on its own. It was just tested using the GNN model. This is the score the accuracy score when it was tested using the TabNet model, and this is the accuracy score when it was tested using the XGBoost model. Okay, so this is when it was compared to other restaurants in the area, the the best location already there is already in a 97 point, has a success score of 93.78. So it's an unlikely chance you'll have a better bottle. And then what's it called? This is just a map of the area. So you have something to compare to. And then this is just the final interpretation. And then here you have a button where you can download the results for what's it called, if you needed a printed out copy to send it or anything or share it, or you need further analysis for like business reasons. Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate multiple locations at once. So I'm going to click upload, browse files. That's not it. Then my sample data open. Okay, predict scores. So as you can see, this is the preview. So all my things are kind of clustered up at the moment. But the thing about my program is it actually cleans the data for you. So it's going to end up cleaning the CVS while, so you don't have to worry that it's all blocked up and chunky like this. So, okay, so the upload function allows the users to evaluate multiple restaurant locations at once. Instead of typing one location manually, the users can upload a CSV file containing several candidates. This this CSV should include important columns such as the location features and business features. After the file is uploaded, the app previews the data and checks that the required location fields are included. The uploaded data is then cleaned, standardized, and processed through the same feature engineering pipeline as the manual input. Each row in the CVS is treated as a separate column for a restaurant location. The app generates a success probability and scores for every location, ranks them highest to lowest potential, and displays the results in the table. Visualize them on the map and allows users to download the predictions. This function is useful for comparing multiple locations and deciding which one has um, the strongest predicted restaurant success potential. So it's just loading right now. Okay, it's done. So look. So looks like the location got your locations in general. All the locations compared together got a 1.9% chance. The GNN was average. The final score was a point 0.1. The GNN score was a 0.9. Tablet score was 0, and the thing was also a 0, or the XG boost was also a 0. Basically saying that all these areas, so this looks like it's around the East Coast. None of these are really good locations to open up around. Okay, now we're waiting for it to compare existing restaurant locations. Okay, so here are the rankings, which it seems all of them got low potential. So if we scroll back up here, we have Florida, Atlanta, Miami, Austin, Los Angeles, New York, Chicago, San Francisco, Boston, Dallas. These are all very highly populated areas, and these seem like basic cheap restaurants, which is probably why it got so all of them got such a low score. They're just not good places to open up. But as you can see, it's testing all of them at once, and then it gives you a ranked list, and then the interpretation, which you can then download. Okay. Overall, the man overall the manual function is best for when testing one location quickly, and the upload function is best for testing several locations at once. And thanks for coming to my presentation. Have a great day.